Hi, everybody. I'm Barb Steinberg, teen life coach, parent coach, and speaker on teen girl issues. I wanted to share with you an idea that I share with a lot of girls that I coach and have worked with over the years. I'm guessing if you have a tween or a teen girl, she's got some critical voices in her head. She's got some critical thoughts about herself. And so often, it has everything to do with their intelligence, with how they look, with what kind of friend they are or aren't, what their social life looks like. So many criticisms that they're not good enough. And this is just one idea I wanted to share with you. I use several, and I'll be sharing several over the course of all these videos that I create. One tool that I use with girls is I'll ask them to repeat that critical voice. What is that critical voice saying? What's the message it's giving? And then I would say, what if your best friend came to you and told you that she thought that, she was ugly, or that she was overweight, or that nobody liked her, or that she was dumb in math, or, that nobody wanted to invite her to any of the get-togethers. What if your best friend told you those worries and those concerns and that she was criticizing herself? What would you say to your best friend? They almost always can come up with such a kind, compassionate response of what they would say to their best friend. So then I coach them, how about being your own best friend? Could you say that to yourself? So I'm hoping, and it can be hard. It doesn't feel natural and normal because, that critical voice is so loud and so repetitive that we really need that kind, compassionate voice, that best friend voice to be present and to be louder. So it takes practice. But that could be sort of a mantra that could be in your house. What would you say if your best friend said that to you? What would you say to her? To kind of retrain and to teach our girls how to speak to themselves in a way that is kind and compassionate and helpful. So hopefully this will help you with your teen girls for sure. So if you want more advice on parenting tween and teen girls, go to my YouTube page, Barb Steinberg LMSW, or sign up for my newsletter on my website, barbsteinberg.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.